So here's a quick review of the Toda timing chain tensioner for the S2000. Couldn't really find a good video of it online, so here's how it works. Basically it comes in this box and it has the cover that goes on here after you take out the screw. It has an oil jet bolt here that goes in the middle after you take out this hex bolt, and the two bolts to put the cover onto the actual timing chain tensioner. So to install this, you want to probably test it out before you put it in the car. So to test it out, all you do is you loosen this hex bolt right here. This is a 4mm, and when you loosen it, this piston right here is going to want to shoot out, so you got to watch out for that. And this hex nut right here is actually holding it in place, and so without this it's just going to like fly out. And if you want to retract it, all you do is you kind of apply pressure like that, and then you turn this clockwise, I believe, and that will retract the piston. And I would just kind of let it loosen this a little and see if it extends out, and if it doesn't, then maybe add some oil to it. And yeah, so basically put it in the car, in the engine, take out or loosen this hex bolt and the nut, and then the thing is going to fully extend and apply tension to your chain. And then you want to take the bolt fully out along with the nut and this washer right here as well. And once that is out, you're going to want to put in this oil jet bolt in the middle where that bolt went and torque it down, just snug probably. And then look through the maintenance cover to see if the piston is fully extended, and then you should be good to go.